So you want to know how can you redeem a gift card on Cash App. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how. So basically you are in the right place. Now, of course, you need to follow up carefully with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, make sure you are in the places that this app functions well. So USA or UK, and then go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version by searching for it and then updating it, of course, to the latest version. Finally, after that, if you go ahead and research how can you do that, you'll find these steps right here. Very easy steps and very straightforward. First, open the app and then tap on balance in the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on add cash option. And then from there, you need to click the add button to select the card you want to transfer the money from. After that, you need to enter the card information, of course, enter them correctly. After that, tap on add a card. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.